We just got into our rental car, and now we are driving one road up to our final destination. Well, actually, it's more of a pit stop because we would like to stop by this juice place before we get to the hotel. I will show you the scenery. So there's this one main road, I'm not sure what it's called, and it wraps around the island. Do you see that helicopter up there? I was hoping to do a helicopter tour, but I think we are already fitting too much into our itinerary while we are staying on this island. And I've learned over time to not overbook myself, which means to not schedule too many activities, because instead of it being fun and relaxing, it ends up feeling like work because there's a schedule and there's too much to do. Oh, that was the pineapple store. So they must sell a lot of pineapple goods. Isn't the green so pretty? There's various shades of green. We have emerald green, like the color of the trees. We have lime green, like the color of the field. We have... what other green?
Posy green.
What is posy green?
It's just another shade, another color of green.
Can you describe posy green?
Posy is similar to hunter green.
And for my subscribers who don't know what hunter green is, can you please elaborate?
Similar to forest green.
Ding, ding, ding! Okay, well,
Off guard.
my husband said I caught him off guard. Do you know what that means? It's an excellent idiom to know. It means that he was not expecting to be asked a question on the spot. Oh, look at this golf course. How much is this golf course?
This one I'm not sure. But the one near our hotel is $350.
And is that considered expensive?
Yes.
And how much would it be in Los Angeles?
Probably the same cost for a really nice course, but for a local course, like $40, $50.
How do you guys feel about me asking my husband questions? I received a comment that they really enjoyed our conversation. The only thing is he doesn't like to be on camera, so he's not trying to be this mysterious man. He's just a little camera shy. Ooh, look at this. The waves look more consistent today compared to yesterday's choppy waves. It's beautiful. Do you remember in the first episode of this Hawaii vlog series how it was overcast? Overcast means that the sky was filled with clouds, and for that reason the ocean reflected that same color of the sky, which was gray. I'm really excited to go to this new hotel. What are you looking forward to the most at this new hotel?
The grounds, the room, the pool, the restaurants, and the gym.
Are you someone who likes to hang out and lounge around by the pool?
No, not really, but in a hotel like this, yes.
What does your ideal vacation look like?
In a metropolis city, shopping.
So you prefer to be around a lot of people, buildings, energy. You don't like to be around a calm energy. Is that right?
No, the calm energy is fine, but it's hot and there's a lot of insects and bugs in these type of places.
Where you grew up, did you not grow up with a lot of insects and bugs?
No, just ants.
Where I grew up, I had mosquitoes, cicadas, roly-polies, caterpillars. There was a creek near where I lived, and it had salamanders, frogs, all sorts of critters. Critters are like bugs and small amphibians and animals. We are passing by a local grocery store. How many palm trees are there here? Oh, that was our hotel. That's where we stayed last night and checked out today. But now we are heading up north to Princeville. We actually need to do another pit stop at Ross. I'm surprised that there's a Ross out here in Kauai. Ross is a clothing and home goods store that has discounted products. Oh, look, fire trucks. My husband loves seeing fire trucks because back in the day, he worked in the fire academy. Is that correct? You worked in it?
No, I was in the fire academy and I worked for the fire department.
Ah, thank you so much for your correction. And what degree do you have that relates to this?
Fire technology or fire science.
Is it only firefighters that attend these type of classes or get this type of degree?
Yes.
Cool.
I don't think we've ever shopped at Ross ever. I've never bought anything there.
So he just said, I don't think we've ever shopped at Ross. I never bought anything there. Well, where I grew up in a smaller city in Baltimore, I used to go to Ross all the time with my mom and my friends, and I got some pretty good items. Oh, so the reason why we have to go to Ross is because tomorrow we are going zip lining. If you don't know what zip lining is, I will show you tomorrow, and we'll bring our GoPro so you can join the adventure with us. The instructions for the zip lining says we need to wear long pants. So I did not read the instructions ahead of time before we arrived. I read it this morning, and it's a good thing I did because I have to pick up and buy long pants. And I'm assuming this is because there are a lot of trees and bushes that we will run into, and also because the harness will probably feel more comfortable when we have long pants on. So we're gonna go to Ross, and I'm going to cut this episode because I've been requested to create shorter videos so that it is more feasible for you to watch the whole thing. So I'll see you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. And if you're interested in sounding more like a native English speaker, check out my ebooks below. The link is below. Okay, bye. See you in the next episode.